So we learned this morning that the definition of a shul is a place where they all come to pray every day on a daily basis, and it's not like a temporary place, because temporary places are not considered Bet Knesset, and there's no halachot, there's no restrictions that we have. There is no restrictions of a shul in those places. The Shulchan Aruch says, וכן בתים וחצרות שמתקבצים בהם להתפלל בערי, אין בהם שום קדושה. So he says, courtyards, houses, places where once in a while you go and pray there, that's not considered a shul. Therefore, in our town we have a place called the tent minyan. Okay, so at the beginning, they used to pray there, I guess, once in a while. No, I don't know. But now they pray there every Shabbat. So it becomes, I don't know if every day, but every Shabbat they pray there. So it becomes like a shul. If it becomes like a shul, although it doesn't look like a shul, it's a backyard, it's of a house or something, still it's a Bet Knesset, and all the restrictions, all the halachot that we have here applies in that case. There's another important halakha, is that the shin, the women's section, is that considered shul or not? Chokhmat Adam says, en b'hem kedusha klal. Women's section doesn't have no kedusha whatsoever, and therefore we're allowed to do whatever you want, what you need, things that are necessary that you can't usually do in the shul, you can do over there. However, the Pri Megadim and Shoel Mashiv and some other poskim hold that the women's section is considered Bet Knesset, and therefore if one wants to change a shul and make it into a women's section, like a divided half, he's allowed to do it. He's not really decreasing the kedusha from the shul. So the question is, what do we have here? Here it looks like we have half is the women's section, and the second half is not. It's like it's a whole. So we can. I was thinking about it, and it looks like the place where the women are sitting, that's considered Zat Nashim. It's true that on Yom Kippur there's more ladies coming and like they take all the place, but since that's considered temporary, but a permanent place where they sit every Shabbat, it's in the first part of this place, and therefore only that place has the kedusha. On the back has no kedusha, and we're allowed to do whatever is necessary, calculation and so on. Things that we're not allowed to do in the shul, we can do in the back of this place.